Exactly 1 week ago, I gave $1,000 to a crypto AI trading bot called STOIC, and I posted a video about it. It's pinned on my TikTok right now. It got quite a lot of attention and people wanted updates. So this is my 1 week update and results. Watch the whole video through, and if you want to learn how to set up a STOIC yourself, I have a whole video on my YouTube channel, link in bio. Let's get in. So if you watch my first TikTok or my YouTube video, you would know that STOIC operates on Binance. So let me hop into my Binance app and I'll show you how much trades it's actually placed in the past week. So this is my Binance account. As you can see, my balance is $1,001, and these are all the cryptos it's traded into, and I'm holding right now. So now let's go and take a look at the trade history and yeah, all the history basically. So these are all the trades that it's placed, and yeah, it's placed a lot of trades, and it's quite crazy how a bot can do all of this, but this is what we paid for and this is what we're doing. Yeah. I know you're probably thinking, oh, this bot is so trash, it's only gained you $1 in profit. But if you're actually in the crypto space, you know that the market was crashing all week, and I'm actually surprised that the bot even kept up with that and it actually didn't lose me any money, which I'm quite impressed about, because the market was actually crashing. And I feel like if I was investing myself, I would have lost more than the bot actually lost. So props to the bot. If you're interested in what the bot's going to do in the future, make sure you follow, and I'll be posting regular updates.